Determination, stability, experience, innovation. Since 1966, SASA has established its place not only in Turkey, but also among the leading players of the global industry through its innovative vision, and continues to rise as one of the key driving forces of the global polyester sector. Today, with a workforce exceeding 15,000, Erdemoğlu Holding strengthened its presence in international markets by incorporating SASA into its group of companies in 2015 through a strategic move. Backed by a powerful and diversified industrial infrastructure spanning from textiles and carpets to petrochemicals, Erdemoğlu Holding companies deliver efficient and sustainable operations through their high production capacity and fully integrated facilities. Erdemoğlu Holding has accelerated SASA's growth and transformation journey through strategic investments, reaching up to $4 billion. Standing out in the polyester industry, SASA continues to advance its capacity expansion efforts consistently, guided by an innovative and environmentally responsive production approach. With an expert workforce of approximately 4,000 employees, production facilities spanning 2,181,000 square meters in Adana, and a 56,000 square meters raw material storage area in Iskenderun, SASA ranks among the world's leading polyester producers in polyester chips, fiber, and filament. SASA produces purified terephthalic acid, the main raw material of polyester, at the largest and environmentally friendly facility in Turkey and Europe. With an investment value of $1.85 billion and an annual PTA production capacity of 1,750,000 tons, SASA reduces Turkey's external dependency while enhancing its global competitiveness. As part of its ongoing investments, a PET chips production facility with an investment value of $250 million was commissioned in the first half of 2025. With an annual capacity of 330,000 tons, SASA's total PET chips production capacity has reached 850,000 tons per year. In the second half of 2025, SASA commissioned a new polyester fiber production facility with an investment value of $650 million. The facility operates in the low-melt fiber segment, which is not produced in Turkey and has been fully reliant on imports, with an annual capacity of 52,500 tons. With this investment, SASA has increased its polyester fiber output by an additional 402,500 tons annually, bringing its total fiber production capacity to 800,000 tons per year. With the investments commissioned in 2025, SASA's total annual polyester production capacity has reached 2 million tons, further reinforcing its position as a strong and competitive global producer. Through its strategic investments, SASA has become capable of producing approximately 2% of global polyester output, including its key raw material, significantly reducing dependency on imported inputs across strategic sectors such as textiles, packaging, automotive, and petrochemicals. With its fully integrated production structure, SASA produces critical core products in-house, not only expanding its production capacity, but also achieving significant advancements in process reliability, operational efficiency, energy optimization, and quality consistency, positioning the company as a strong and competitive production hub on both regional and global scales. SASA's mega refinery, petrochemical, and port investment in Adana Yumurtalık, covering an area of 11 million square meters, and with pre-engineering studies completed, represents a total investment value of $25 billion. This landmark project is generating significant global attention and is being closely monitored worldwide. This strategic investment, expected to be completed within 12 years, is targeted to reach a production capacity of 20 million tons and generate annual revenue of $25 billion. Through this investment, SASA aims to further contribute to the national economy while creating direct employment for approximately 20,000 people. The SASA Yumurtalık refinery, petrochemical and port investment will be fully integrated with the Chemical Organized Industrial Zone. Supported by the leverage of the Ceyhan Industrial Zone, regional crude oil terminals and the Yumurtalık Free Trade Zone, the project will position Turkey and the Eastern Mediterranean as a strategic production hub for refinery and petrochemical products. With this transformation, Turkey will become a strong and reliable supply base for Europe, the Turkish republics, Africa, and the entire Mediterranean basin. SASA has become the first polyester producer in Turkey to be awarded the environmental label and continues to work towards a sustainable future as a proud member of the United Nations Global Compact in collaboration with all stakeholders. Strengthening its commitment to sustainable production, SASA leverages investments in renewable energy and waste heat recovery to meet 60% of its total electricity demand through its own resources, including solar power and the waste heat recovery system at its PTA facility. At its advanced PTA facility, energy generated during the production process is efficiently converted into electricity through a waste heat recovery system. This energy primarily supports the facility's own needs, while any surplus is utilized across other production units to further enhance operational efficiency. The company has commissioned a 16.4 megawatt peak rooftop solar energy system at its Adana production facility with an investment of $12 million, along with a 45.7 megawatt peak land-based solar energy project in Gaziantep, backed by an investment of $25 million. These initiatives have increased the company's renewable energy utilization rate to 20%. SASA, with its Turkey-based production strength, is the largest polyester producer across Europe, the Middle East, and Africa. It continues to advance towards its goal of positioning Turkey as a strong global production hub through its sustainable growth vision, integrated production infrastructure, and investments in the petrochemical sector. SASA produces on environmental, social, and governance principles, creating value in line with international quality standards through the effective use of artificial intelligence and advanced technologies. With the investments realized under Erdemoğlu Holding, SASA continues to shape the future as a global brand, elevating Turkey's presence and impact on the world stage.